Konica Minolta est un acteur engagé auprès des professionnels de santé, et cela depuis de très longues années. Nous continuons cet investissement, c'est une activité qui est extrêmement stratégique pour le groupe Konica Minolta. Preuve en est la dernière création, en date du 1er octobre 2018, d'une business unit située au Japon, qui va venir consolider toutes les acquisitions majeures qui ont été réalisées ces dernières années par le groupe Konica Minolta. Alors, l'activité de cette business unit, c'est essentiellement la médecine de précision, les activités de séquençage du génome humain au travers de l'acquisition d'Embry Genetics, ainsi qu'également les activités d'intelligence artificielle appliquées à l'imagerie médicale réalisées au travers de l'achat d'in vitro il y a quelques mois. Pour la partie française, eh bien, nous souhaitons maintenant mettre en place et commercialiser une solution qui s'appelle EXA, que nous avons acquis aux États-Unis il y a maintenant 5 ans environ. Une solution d'enterprise imaging complète qui inclut un RIS, qui inclut un PACS et globalement avec des atouts différenciants très importants, une base installée aux États-Unis qui est très importante également et des atouts qui feront la différence en France.
Our Konica Minolta EXA solution came out in 2015, so we're a little over 3 years into the rollout of the EXA product. It's been available in the US market for that time, and we are just starting to move it out into the global market now, France being the first country that we're introducing the product into. Very unique product in the category. We are taking 2 functionalities, the RIS and scheduling component, and the PACS, which is the diagnostic interpretation component, and putting it into one piece of software. Along with the software package, we have a number of portals. We have a patient portal, a physician portal, we even have an attorney portal that we use in the US market. Because we are using a unified work list with RIS and PACS features, we are really driven by status-driven workflow. So it's a lot more customizable to the user environment than is normally offered. 2 key technologies that we use are the background to the EXA platform. One of them is a diagnostic zero footprint viewer. So with our zero footprint, we have the full diagnostic tool sets. No matter where you log into, you have the proper credentialing, you'll have access to the full diagnostic tool sets without ever having to download software onto the workstation platform. The second technology that sits in the background is server-side rendering. Server-side rendering eliminates the need to push data sets to the local level. So what we are doing is streaming the data into the workstation, so the workstation becomes merely a portal to view into the server, and the server is doing all of the heavy lifting. The first advantage of that is greatly reduced cost in workstation hardware because you're not having to purchase very expensive workstation. The other huge advantage to it is speed. No matter how large the study is, because we're not routing data to the local workstation and we're just streaming the encrypted pixel data, you can have immediate access to images regardless of file sizes. Even the largest file sizes, we can load or download and view those images in full fidelity in less than 4 seconds. So from the patient work list, if we just choose an exam, we'll choose a CT exam. Just a double click launches the viewer, and the images automatically pop up along with any of the corresponding priors. So the prior set up as and make a timeline of the patient history. So with server-side rendering, what we are doing is we're streaming the encrypted pixel data to it. So we're never housing any patient data locally at the workstation level. So it really improves the security of the system itself.